Hi, today we are playing Roblox and I'm here with my brother Kevin. Say hi.
Hey, so today we are playing Don't Touch the Button.
Yeah, so far it's pretty good because we just got money.
We just got lucky.
You may be right, but still.
Watch out.
What?
What the?
Yay.
I want to press it.
How?
I don't know.
Oh.
Careful, careful.
I'm right behind you. I'm a stuffed animal tree.
Where are the stuffed animals is tee hee hee.
Oh, Enter the castle. What does that mean?
How should I know?
Woo. Bye.
New. Oh,
Parkour.
Where is Kev?
What? Oh, hi.
hi.
Parkour.
Parkour.
We. Knew it. No. Well, this is cool. Okay. We. Oh, right.
Oh, hi.
Be careful.
New.
Wait, new. Okay, can believe I didn't know how to do it. Is it that weird cheater guy? No, that's him. Finally. Anyways, this is the end of the video, so bye. Hope you have a great day and all that stuff. Bye. Say bye or I'll shoot you.
Bye.